we got a wave runner here. And so what's happened is this thing can hit 50 miles an hour or a little more. And now it's not moving over 34 miles an hour, it's losing power. So instead of trying to take it to the shop, we're going to replace some spark plugs. Hopefully that's the problem. So once you remove your seat, your spark plugs are going to be found right here in this housing. And in just a few minutes we'll get started. I'll show you how to get those caps off and change those spark plugs, and we'll be on our way. Make sure that you're going to get the right size spark plug for your machine. So if you look down on the housing, it should tell you what the proper size is. Right here, CR9EB. And if you take a look at my box, that is the size of the spark plugs that we have. All right, we're going to loosen these up. Disconnect the caps here. Out by hand. Make sure that you keep up with your hardware. Don't lose them or drop them. There's a little bit of a tight pull, but you just kind of work it side to side, pull these on out. This one's very good. Some things. Pull those on up. All right, next step. So you can see down the spark plugs are down in there. So you're going to need a wrench that will reach down far enough to be able to loosen those spark plugs. Make sure you're lefty-loosey. The next trick is going to be to pull the spark plug up. Hopefully we'll be able to push that housing back down and it will lift those up. So then you can push these caps back down in there and give it a pull. You might have to twist it and pull it on up. That should be able to grab that spark plug for you. And then you just pull it right out, and there you go. I'm going to repeat that process on the others, and then I'll be right back with you. All right, so we're going to put the new ones in. They come in your box. Take them out. Again, they're your threads, and you can tell the difference. Look at this. That one's brand new. All right, so we're going to start the process backwards. I'm going to drop the 4 in there, and then we're going to get them seated. There you go. Probably not a bad idea for you to keep some spark plugs on hand. And that way you're not running to the store when you have an issue that could be a simple fix without taking your machine to the shop. All right. Now, let's get these on in here. Okay, we're finishing up this last spark plug here. Let's go ahead and get it tightening down in there. We go. We'll give this one just one last quick little, there we go. Perfect. All right, so they're all in. Next step, we're going to put the caps back on here. All right, so now just replacing these caps here. Show you. And just once you get it in, give it a good push, because you want it to seat. There we go. You might have to give it a little twist. Just line it up so that way you'll be able to get your bolts back in. I'm gonna do the last two and then I'll be back. All right. Got the covers back on. Now we're gonna connect. Make sure these connectors get pushed up on, you'll hear them click. Make sure that they are secure. And last step, we're going to put the bolts back in. So I like to just go ahead and put these bolts in, hand tighten them first. Get them all seated there. Grab my wrench. Make sure they all get nice and tightened down. Alright, good to go. So now we're going to take her out and make sure that hopefully that was the problem, and we'll be running with full power again. So we'll come back and let you know if that was the fix. Stand by. Alright, so now, moment of truth, we're going to see, did those spark plugs fix the issue? Yes. Full power now.